How to add friends in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you are playing Diablo Immortal and want to add another player to your friend list, first of all open up the Diablo Immortal game on your device and go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner after logging into your account. Now on the next page, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top right, and this will open the Add Friends tab. Just tap on Add Friend. Now in the search bar, type in the battle tag of one of your friends. Go ahead and write it down in the text box and then click on Send. After you do that, you will be able to send the friend request to the person. You can also go ahead and send the friend request from the Suggested Friends tab at the bottom. Simply tap the plus icon right next to the contact to send them the friend request. So that is how you can easily send friend requests to your friends. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to be friends in the game. So that is how you can do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.